Hi all. Unboxing video and my last package from Dan. It's not going to have anything up for sale this week for the rest of the week, so I'm like, that's good. Since I really can't buy nothing now until next week sometime. Wow, this box is really picked up good. Okay. Keep them out just in case. One, two, three. K-Swiss sticker. Okay. Now, let's get on with this unboxing. I got, you know what, let me see about, this is all, I'll put this stuff in, let me just get them all unboxed first. I had to go to school today. Gigi was giving the nurse problems about taking her, getting pricked for insulin. Okay, now it's time to unveil what I picked up. Neil Gaiman's Faye Shadow Death number 6. Personality Comics presents Michelle Pfeiffer. I actually thought this looks more like Taylor Dane than Michelle Pfeiffer. Personality Comics presents Michael Keaton and Kim Basinger. Then Sports Comics, Magic Johnson. This is number 4. Then I got Personality presents Secret Agents, Roger Moore. Who also was the Saint. Personality Comics presents Sports Personalities number 13, Michael Jordan. Then I got Bo Jackson versus Michael Jordan. Heretics number 1. Heretics number 2. Modern Comics version of Yang number 3. Winter World number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Wild Knights number 1. Number 2. Wild Cards number 1. The Wild number 1. From Blackthorn, Werewolf number 1. Astro Boys, Wave Warriors #1, Vox from Apple Comics #1, Video Jack #1, #2, Vertigo, sneak peek of the bold new line #1, Earth 4, URTH, not EA, #1. Then Batman Detective Comics #705. I got issue 682 cover A, so now I have both covers for this. Issue 656. And I got Captain America 349. 217. 196. Issue 190. 188. 185. 166. 165. Now I'm going to finish up on another independent. Apple Comics Invasion 55 #2. And he sent me Free Comic Tribe #1. So, thank you, Dan, for another good haul. And I love buying off of Dan because all the books I get off of him come bagged and boarded. So I just have to put these right into my collection, in my computer, into the collection, boom, done. So that does it for this edition, my haul. And as always, I thank everybody out there for viewing and subscribing.